Are you staring down the dreaded Adobe Creative Cloud error 304, desperately trying to get back to your creative flow? Let's dive into some simple solutions to get your Adobe apps up and running again. First, ensure a stable internet connection. This is crucial for downloading and updating applications. Next, let's quit the Creative Cloud application. Then, restart it. This often resolves temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, it's time for a system restart. A fresh start can clear out any conflicting processes after your computer restarts. Reopen Creative Cloud and attempt your action once more. Still stuck? It may be a licensing issue, so we will ensure your Adobe account is active. Go to Adobe's website and log into your account. From this point, look for a link to manage your subscription and double-check the status and renewal. Next, we will delve into potential file and directory issues. You may need to verify file and drive access permissions. Right-click the Creative Cloud application and select the Run as Administrator option. This grants the necessary access privileges. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it's time to uninstall and reinstall the Adobe Creative Cloud application. First, uninstall the program, then download the latest version from Adobe's official website and run the setup. If error 304 persists after reinstalling, it is best to contact Adobe support. They can provide further assistance tailored to your specific situation. Do not hesitate to reach out for advice about this issue. Get back to creating and let us know which fix worked for you in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.